In this topic, we will discuss about the fiber cable construction, how the fiber cables are constructed. So here there is a two methods or two styles to construct the optical fiber cable. We can construct the optical fiber cables in the different methods or different formation. One of the style is loose tube and another one is tight buffered cables or tight buffer method. So these are the two styles in order to construct the optical fiber cables. In both the cables, means if it is a loose tube style or tight buffer style, in both the methods there is a some materials which are used to construct the cable. So here those are represented as the armid yarn and stainless steel wire. So that means both contains some type of strengthening member such as armid yarn, stainless steel wire or gel filled sleeves. So we are construct the fiber cables by using these armid yarn and stainless steel wire or even gel filled sleeves. But each is designed for very different environments. So that means there is a fiber cables are constructed by using the loose tube also, tight buffer also. But these two cables we are constructed for different environments. We cannot use these two for the same environments. In order to use these cables for the different environments, we are designed. Okay, one of the method we will go for the loose tube cables. First we will discuss about the loose tube cables. So these loose tube cables are the first initially designed loose tube cables out of the two cable types. So what we are discussing, there is the two cable types. One of the method is the loose tube cables and another one is tight buffered cables. So out of these two cable methods, so the initially we are using the loose tube cables. That is the first method which are implemented for the construction of a fiber cable. So this is designed for the outdoor environments. These cables we are used at the harsh outdoor environments. So in these loose tube cables we are used for the harsh outdoor environments. These cable which is used to protect the fiber core and cladding and coating. So these cable protect the fiber core and cladding and coating. Whatever the coating they are developed, that those are protected by the loose tube cables by semi-rigged protective sleeves or tubes. That means suppose if you have a core here, okay, after this core there is a cladding. Here this is a cladding. So now assuming there is a coating here, so all these three which are protected from the outdoor environments by enclosing this entire with the sleeves or tubes. So this is sleeve or tube which is enclosed to these three core cladding and another one is the coating, which are protected by using the tubes or semi-rigged protective sleeves. Okay, so in these loose tube cables we can hold n number of optical fiber cables. That means in loose tube cables that hold more than one optical fiber. Suppose this is a cable, loose tube cable. So in these loose tube cables it hold number of optical fibers here. So these are represented as optical fiber cables. There is a number of optical fiber cables it can hold. So these are the optical fiber cables for assume. So in loose tube cables that hold more than one optical fiber, each individually sleeved core is bundled loosely within all facing outer jacket. So whatever you have the fiber cables which are held by using the loose tube cables, these all having the core, so which are bounded loosely. There is no strict bound to each other. These are bounded loosely in the loose tube cables. Mainly these loose tube cables which consists of a water resistant gel. These loose tube cables which is mainly consists of a water resistant gel. This water resistant gel which is generally used to protect the fiber from the moisture and making the cables ideal for harsh high humidity environments. Okay, so that means where the water or condensation can be a problem. So these loose tube cables, it consists of a water resistant gel that surround the fiber. The water, whatever the water resistant gel that will be surrounded the optical fiber. So actually where we are using this loose tube cable, whenever there is a water problem, means water concentration problem is there, in that cases we are using the loose tube cables in order to protect from the moisture and making the glass cables ideal for harsh environment and high humidity environments where water or condensation is a problem. Okay, and these loose tube cables, the gel filled tubes, just in first we are discussed about these loose tube cables and tight buffered cables which are consist of harmonium and gel filled. So here the loose tube cables which is consists of a gel filled tubes. These gel filled tubes can expand with temperature changes. These gel filled tubes which are expand based upon the temperature changes, but the gel filled loose tube cables are not best choice when the cable needs to submerging. So that means if you are using the cable which are designed with the water gel or gel filled tubes, so these cables which are not useful when there is a number of bending. Suppose if this is a format we are required to fabricate the cables, so when this bending is, when there is a multiple bendings, this gel fill it cannot be useful. There is so many losses if you are using the loose cables in the case of a number of bendings. So when there is a multiple bendings we cannot use the loose cables, and submerging process also we cannot use the loose tube cables. The screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
చెప్పాల్సింది కదమ్మా మరి ముందే, నేను స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది అనుకున్నా. ఓకే, ఒకసారి నాకు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయండి కనిపిస్తుందో లేదో. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి.
లేదు సార్, కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు కనిపించట్లేదా?
లేదు సార్, కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
ప్రీవియస్ గా కనిపించిందా? ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు, ఐ మీన్ ఓవర్వ్యూ మెథడ్స్ చెప్పారు. హలో,
మెథడ్స్ అన్ని కనిపించింది సార్. లాస్ట్ ఒక 2 minutes నుంచి కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే, నేను చూస్తాను.
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు. మళ్ళీ లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది.
మీరు కనిపించట్లేదని చెప్పి నేను స్టాప్ చేశాను. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయమ్మా, కనిపించినప్పుడు నేను మరలా రిపీట్ చేస్తాను.
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.